Hey, it's Jose here, and today I'm going to show you how you can check your domain authority using, of all things, a free tool. Okay, so as you may well know, domain authority is a metric that a company called Moz, that's M-O-Z, came up with. It's a pretty good replacement to Google's old PageRank, which of course they did away with a few years ago. So as you would expect, Moz actually have a domain authority checker, and it's called Open Site Explorer. So in Google, just type in Open Site Explorer, hit enter, and this will take you to this page where I think all the top results are Moz. So simply click on the first one, and you can see this is the actual URL, and this is why I actually said just type in Open Site Explorer into Google, because it's far easier than remembering this URL. It's what I do every single time I want to check my domain authority, so this is the way to do it. Click on the top link and that will take you to the actual tool. Now, Moz do have paid plans, but they're kind enough to let us use this tool at no cost. But the thing to keep in mind is that you can only check it about 2 or 3 times, and then it locks you out and you can't use it again for the next 24 hours or so. On the other hand, if you're doing some competitive analysis and you want to check out the domain authority and the page authority of all your competitors, then you probably need the paid plan. Otherwise, it's going to take quite a while to do that. Okay, so to use the tool, all you do is you type in the URL of the domain name that you want to check. I'm going to type in yahoo.com. Why not? Let's hit the search button, and these are the results. Now, Yahoo's domain name actually has a domain authority of 100 off 100. This is a point-based score system from 1 to 100. And let me just point out that very few websites have 100 out of 100. That is massive authority. So that probably wasn't the best example, because when you type in your domain name, then your domain authority is going to be significantly lower. But hey, you know what? So's mine. But there it is. This is the tool. And as I say, you can use this for free, usually 2 or 3 times within any given 24-hour period. That's how it seems to work right now. Of course, they could change that at some point. So there it is. Go check your domain name and see what you get. Before you go though, remember to subscribe to the channel, and that way you can keep getting all these free tips and resources as well as other stuff. On that note, take it easy, and I shall catch you in the next video.